Niagara Falls, which is located at the border of the United States of America and Canada, have frozen due to the recent wave of sub-zero temperature that has gripped the region. The frozen fall looks like a picture from a fairy tale. Pictures and videos of the frozen fall have been getting a lot of attention on social media, with many users calling it Frozen Wonderland. In what is said to be the blizzard of the century, the tallest waterfall in the world has frozen with not a single drop flowing through. Due to the heavy flow of 3,160 tons of water, it is nearly impossible for the fall to be completely frozen. But over the years, the fall has turned into partial frozen wonderland. At Niagara, the water fall at a rate of 52 feet per second. Niagara Falls completely transformed into ice, looking like an icy paradise in photographs that are surfacing on the internet. The part of the Niagara Falls on the American side has frozen only 5 times so far. Whenever this waterfall accumulates, the flow of the water is affected at that time. Steel ice blooms were installed here in 1644 to prevent the waterfall from becoming ice. Until 1912, tourists were allowed to cross the waterfall through the ice bridge. From here, one of the most beautiful view of the base of the waterfall can be taken. But on February 4th, 1912, 3 people died here by falling into the Niagara River due to the breaking of ice. Since then, the authorities have banned walking on the bridge.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.